Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. And today I have for you, my October Macy's Beauty Box. Yeah, and they're pretty early every month and it is much appreciated. And so if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm very excited about my Macy's box, and Macy's box is always pretty good. It's actually very affordable, $15 a month, and then you get products that are sample size or travel size, and it's sold at Macy's. And along with that, usually you get a gift card for either $10 or $5, depending on what month it is. And so the box actually either costs you $5 or $10. And so, yeah, it's a great deal. But before I unbox this baby here, I want to go ahead and do a affirmation. And today will be from the She Believed She Could So She Did box. Okay, and I know I've been doing a couple of them from my own written affirmations or quotes, but I want to go ahead and do one from this box. So let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, this is big print. I like when it's big print. I get excited about that because I can see without my glasses. Okay, and this one is about by Walt Disney, not about. Well, maybe it is about, right? Also, this is by Walt Disney, and here's a beautiful card. And he had to say, if you can dream it, you can do it. And that is so true. If you can dream it, you can do it. And he was the proof of that, right? I mean, he dreamt up about this futuristic place, a park or amusement park where people can go and enjoy themselves. And the unfortunate thing, though, is the original plan for him was that to build an amusement park that everybody can afford to go to and be able to enjoy themselves. But unfortunately, you know, business takes over at times, and what happens now, it's not affordable for many people because it is quite expensive. So yeah, but that's okay. I digress. But what he meant is that, you know, everything starts with a dream, okay? Everything does start with a dream. You just don't step into something accidentally, sometimes, but very rarely. But when you have a goal or a dream, you materialize it by really having that in your heart to say, I want this dream to come true. I want to be able to do this. So you put action behind that thought. You put your heart behind that mind and move forward and make it happen. And this is what he means by that. I mean, he dreamt about, you know, this big land and an amusement park with this and that. I mean, it didn't just materialize. He dreamt about it. Just like I've dreamt about things before it materialized, right? I mean, finishing nursing school, and I used to, you know, dream that, wow, you know, I can wear those little cute caps and work in a hospital and all that. But of course, by the time I grew up, we weren't wearing any of those caps, and we looked more like doctors than nurses, and it was really hard to tell apart of doctors and nurses. Again, I digress. But but the whole idea here is that it has to be a dream first if you want it bad enough. So if you can dream it, it is possible, okay? So go out there and put action forward and make your dreams come true. No matter what they are. Sometimes, you know, it's really, really hard, right? First, you got to get educated, and then you have to find that job, and then you have to work really hard. But it depends on how bad you want that dream. And not everything in life is easy. Matter of fact, the majority of things in life aren't easy, but we all know that, and we all expect that. And so if you have a dream, don't let anything hold you back. Don't let anything hold you back. And those people that actually really have anxiety and looking into the future, that's different. I'm not saying look into the future and contemplate all the things that can go wrong, but have that dream, that idea, so that way your heart can form that action and translate it to your mind so you know how to go forward, okay? And so go out there and do it. That's all you have to do, okay? Only time you fail is if you don't even begin, All right? So just remember that. Alrighty, now, after that, beauty box. And if I remember right, this is the one where I always mess up the opening of the box, right? Because it has these little tabs that they always cover up with my address. You know, it's like, hello, can't you put the address somewhere else? Or even better, if they're going to keep putting the address there, put the label somewhere else. So, that's what I just said in another word. The cut, the perforations, put it somewhere else. But never mind, because they fixed it. Whoops. Okay, yeah, they did fix it because it was a little different before. Okay, when you open up the box, it is a very simple box, and that's fine. And because it's not the box that, you know, I'm paying for here, it's the contents. And so, here it is. And they always package it nicely in a pink tissue. And I'm going to go ahead and kick that box aside. And it does come with a little booklet every month. And it actually tells you what's inside the box. And it also gives you, like I told you, either $5 or $10 coupon. And this time it's $5 off. And I would share this code with you, but it's only one time use. And if ever a time that I don't use it, I'll go ahead and throw it onto one of my videos and say, here's the code. Whoever gets it first could have it, type of thing. But I tend to use these. Yeah. So, yeah. And they're usually good for over a month. So it's pretty good. And let's see what is in here today. So let's go ahead and unwrap. Sometimes it comes with a bag, sometimes not, but that's okay. Let's see. Okie dokie. All right. Ooh, this is wrapped up really nice. I'm going to have to save this tissue. So here they are right here. And I'm going to take it out of the paper. And I will go ahead and see what we have. I'm going to put on my glasses, my dirty glasses here, because I can't see. Okay, so the first thing I see here is by Tarte. And this is the High Performance Naturals Tarte Lashes. And this is a Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. It's a decent size. It's pretty good. There it is right there. And let me see what it says about it. And Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Travel Size Mascara. It's a cult fave for a reason. Working overtime to lengthen, curl, volumize, and condition your lashes into a clump-free work of art. Rice bran and vitamins keep them nourished and hydrated. And the cost of this full size is $12. And so, but this is the travel size. Okay, not bad. Okay, and then the next thing, oh, this must be a thing right now. And it looks like, this is a Gua Sha Stone. And this, do you remember that one time that I got the Gua Sha Stone? Or it wasn't a stone, it was a piece of sharp plastic. Yeah, out of that one beauty box. Whoa, I almost threw that one. Whew. Okay, with this one's not so much, okay? This one's a little bit different. You see how it's nicely shaped. It's not that sharp, you know, edged thing. And so I think this is some kind of a plastic, though. I don't think this is rose stone or rose quartz. But let me see what it says about it. Let's see. Okay. You know what? Where is it? It's actually not here, guys. It's pictured, but it's not here. I wonder if this is like an extra. Maybe, but there is no sharp edges, which is good. And it's shaped really nice because that way you can use this or you can use this and you can use different parts of it based on the shape of your face. And so this is really good for massaging your face, but also more so for lymphatic drainage. So yeah, but I do not see it here. I'm wondering if that's just like a bonus. It might be. So, well, we'll see. Okay, and then the next item here is by Xena, or yeah, I think it's Xena, but it looks like a 3INA. And it's the 24 Pin Eyeliner. Okay, let me open it up for you. Oh, okay, this is pretty thick. Huh. Okay, 24 Pen Eyeliner. Let me see what it says. Okay, create wings so perfect you can practice take flight. A sharp point and incredible waterproof pigment glides onto your eyes like a dream for gorgeous definition that stays on all night. And this product is $14.50 and this is a full-size product. So, yeah, there it is. Okay. And there's the brand right there. Okay, not bad. Some of these I will go ahead and throw into the giveaways. because eyeliners I have so much of, mascara I have so much of, and also I'll try to figure out what, you know, what this is all about. So yeah, it might be stone. I may be wrong that it's not stone because it did come in this so it doesn't break. So yeah, it might be stone. I'm just, yeah. Okay, so the next in my box is by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And this is the Brow Whiz Skinny Brow Pencil. And I do use this one. This is so cute because I used a full-size one. And this one is in taupe. And I think I can get away with using taupe because I use ash brown. And taupe isn't that far of a color. I mean, it's more for lighter hair people. But look at this. This is so absolutely cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it does come actually with the spoolie as well. And let's see, the other side should be the, yep, there it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? This will not go wasted. And I love this product. And I use it regularly if I don't use the pomade, but it's always one or the other. But what it says is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Whiz. When your brows are this bold, they do all the talking. The ultra slim pencil formulated with vitamin E and plant oils is the only tool you need to detail and fill out your brows as though you were born with them. Okay, find your perfect match with a wide range of color and tones. And it is $23, the full-size version of it. And I can attest to that because I do buy it. So, okay, this is not bad. So far, so good. And the next product here is Pericone Md. Okay. And let me see what this one is about. Okay, there you go. I hope that stays in focus while I talk to you. Is it upside down? Nope. Okay. There you go. And this says high potency growth factor firming and lifting serum. Plump it up with the lifting, firming and smoothing serum that everyone is talking about. Polyamine growth factor and encapsulated retinol promote collagen production. So with science on your side, you're sure to see the benefits very quickly. And the full size actually is, oops, sorry about that. Full size is actually $129. And it doesn't also give the size of the full size, unfortunately, but it's $129 for the full size. So yeah. I mean, interesting. You know, I am not going to use this serum. I'll go ahead and throw it into one of the future giveaways because I use Retinal. And so I don't use retinol on top of it because then it would be too much. And Retinal is a prescription. So I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. Okay. And then the next product here is by Kiehl's. I said here and Kiehl's at the same time. So what is this about? Okay, can you see it? Okay, Kiehl's, it's new. Retinal Skin Renewing Daily Micro Dose Serum. Introduce skincare's favorite ingredient into your routine. Retinal increases your cellular turnover, which brightens, firms, and redefines your skin texture without the irritation. And the full size will be $60. And that is true. That's what retinol or retinoids are designed to do. But again, this will go into the future giveaway because I already use Retinal, okay? And so that's that. And let's see what the next one is. Okay, here we go. And this is by Course X. It's Acne Pimple Master Patch. It's not a magic trick, but it sure acts like one. This thin, lightweight hydrocolloid patch seals around the acne to protect it while absorbing all of the bad bacteria. The best part, you can see it working. And these are $5 each, okay? And, you know, again, I will go ahead and send this into one of the giveaways because I don't have acne problems and I'd rather give it to somebody who could use it. And the patches come in small, medium, and large. And there's 3 sizes contained in here, okay? So that's that. And the full size price, I did say it's $5 each, right? And this is one of the full size. And there's 24 little patches in here, by the way. So, yeah. Okay, the next 2 things are actually perfume. And the first one is for men. It's called Calvin Klein Defy. I guess that's what the full bottle would look like. And I will go ahead and give this to my husband to try as usual. And Calvin Klein's new Defy Eau de Toilette Spray Meet an addictive blend of crisp bergamot combined with rugged vetiver and sensual notes of amber. Ooh. This men's fragrance is a daring contrast that defies expectations. So it does give you the full size, which is 3.8 fluid ounces, is $88. It's funny that they don't give the other product. Maybe there's too many of them for them to give. So yeah. Okay, and the next one, Daisy by Marc Jacobs, and this is Eau de Toilette Spray also. And I do have the perfume version of this actually, and I do like it. And let's see, what does it say about it? Okay, Marc Jacobs Daisy Eau de Toilette Spray, a classic fragrance that's charming and inviting with signature quality. Soft florals infused with succulent wild berries and white violets, while velvety jasmine creates a romantic, lingering finish. And a 3.4 ounce would be $108. Okay, so this is probably totally out of focus. I'm so sorry about that. I'm trying to read and do this at the same time. Not easy. Okay, so I think that's it. And again, this was not part of it. So, yeah, it is. I think it is actually stone. Yeah, and it came in here. So since I do have a big version of this, I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here so I can also add this to the future giveaways. But yeah, not bad. So what did I get for $15? Actually $10 because I got a $5 coupon gift card. And so I got the 24 patches of Master Patch Original Fit in 3 different sizes. A cute little extra here, which is the a little stone for Gua Sha, and then a travel size of Lights Camera Action Tarte Mascara. A very nice Pericone Md Growth Factor and Firming Lifting Serum, which is quite expensive for full size. And the Kiehl's Retinal Skin Renewing Daily Micro Dose Serum, also a serum. And Daisy Marc Jacobs Perfume, Eau de Toilette. And Calvin Klein Defy Eau de Toilette for Men, which will go directly to my husband. I'm looking forward to smelling it because I like the notes on it. Xena, okay, and this is the eyeliner. And finally, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Taupe. And so all in all, guys, I'm very happy with it because like I said, I mean, all of these are all known products, right? Known companies. They're not like I don't know who that is, but they're all very well known. They're all sold at Macy's. And so to pay $15 a month and get a $5 or $10 gift card with it, come on. Hello. And while all of the other boxes are going up in price, it doesn't seem like Macy's has made that move yet. Hopefully they will not. But yeah. Tell me what you think. And I know a couple of you are still on a waiting list. And I know, Glenna, you're one of them. But, you know, you have to really jump on it. When they send you an email, you have to respond to them. And you have to do all your documents and all that online. I think they give you 24 hours because there's so many people in line for the box. Because I know somebody said they got an email, but they never got anything else. Well, yeah, because you have to make that next step. And so read through your email thoroughly so that way you don't lose out and end up in the back of the line again, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please do give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.